Hello, welcome to the new era of AI. We are going to learn about the new research tool that is a Research Rabbit. So, first of all, go to the Google search engine, type Research Rabbit, or you can use the website http www.researchrabbit.ai, or you can click the first link that is Research Rabbit AI tool, which is a smarter and faster tool which is used for the research paper summary generation. Now, this Research Rabbit is used for the research discovery and visualization tool. It is going to find out and explore a research paper. We can build a visual map of the paper, author, citation, or discovery related to work. Deep literature survey exploration and identification influence of research will be find out with the help of the Research Rabbit, or you can use the free or paid version for the student as well as the academic purposes also. This Research Rabbit is mainly used for the visualize the paper network, collaboration building, and smart recommendation system is used for this, or collaborative collaboration or use case study for that purposes also it is going to use. For example, whenever you open this Research Rabbit with the free version or with the sign in tab, here it is asking you about this search where you can type the paper title, DOI number or keywords, or you can type the generalized topic. For example, I'm typing here URL, fake URL or web page, and give this search. So it is search engine will be giving me a search this topic related the papers which is shown here, list of the paper which is the most cited and recommended standard paper which is there. If you simply click on this paper title, it is going to give you this paper details, who is the author, and the small summary of this paper is going to generated here. If you are having the upgraded version, you can deep dive into the this article, similar articles or references or citation, clicking on that particular things. For this related to this topic, there is no similar topic or research work is there. For example, second paper is there that is related to 2017. Again, for the second paper also, it is going to show me the details, summary, author's details, then paper title. If you want to save that work, you can create a save to and create a one directory. Under that, you can save the similar type of the work with the summary. And another thing is that the like this, you can use the number of papers, click on the number of papers and generate the summary and add to here that particular things, and then you can use the sort that particular summary also under this the directory. Like this, you can create within a short duration for the particular paper without reading the whole paper. You can generate a summary in the with the help of this research tool, and it will be useful for the generating the literature survey. Thank you.